Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change download location in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up your file explorer. Then just go to this PC. Now from this PC, just go to any local disk other than your system drive. I'm gonna go to local disk D. Then I'm gonna create a new folder here, and I'm gonna name this downloads. Now I'm gonna just go back to this PC again. Then I'm gonna go to my downloads folder, right click on it, then click on properties. Then from here, I'm just gonna go to location. Now I'm just gonna change the location of the download folder, click on move. Then just go to local disk D or wherever you have created the new folder, and just select the new folder and click on select folder. Click on apply, click on yes, click on OK. Just wait for it to transfer all the files. Now you can go to your local disk D, go to downloads again, and you'll find the folder. And from now, everything that you download will be downloaded here. And that is how to change your download location in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.